Organized by Technically Philly, Philly Tech Week celebrates technology and innovation in the region by bringing together some of the best and brightest tech minds for events ranging from panels and conferences to gaming-themed events and cocktail parties. Celebrating its 8th year, this Festival of Technology is expected to feature up to 100 events throughout the city over a 9-day span. Our events are broken into a number of categories: access, business, civic, creative, dev, media, and sciences. The highlights include our Dev Conference, featuring workshops and talks designed to sharpen programming skills, happening May 2nd at Temple University. Up next is a brand new day-long conference that will bring all of the Tech Week tracks under one roof, featuring interactive demos, networking, and personalized connections. We'll introduce you to new content, ideas, companies, and more. We're calling it Introduced by Technically, and it's happening on May 3rd at the Science History Institute. Then there's the signature event, where interactive local technology expo meets cocktail party style at the Reading Terminal Market on May 4th. Philly Tech Week is a place to come together and celebrate the best of our tech community. Don't miss the 8th annual Philly Tech Week starting April 27th through May 5th, 2018.